last time this happened.
What the heck? Oh! I don't even know you. Get out of my house. I think I'm gonna take a nap. Good night. Da-da.
And now we have a part 2. Enjoy. Oh, and also don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Da-da. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What? Why? You didn't kill me. Hooray! Say yay for now, little buddy. Just please don't do that stuff again, okay? You tried to kill me. No I didn't. Yes you did. You did. No I didn't. Yes you did. No I didn't. Yes you did. No I didn't. Yes you did. What? Can you please stop doing that? Yes I did. No you didn't. Oh no, oh my gosh, dude. Come on. Okay. Puppo. We're still doing it. Oh, sorry. Anyways, no, I didn't try to kill you. Well, I think you did. But anyways, you want to be my friend? Yes. Ah! Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my 4th video. Oh, and one more thing. Be sure to stay awesome and rock on. Bye, guys.